American actress Jane Mansfield circa 1960. This street seller, known as a coster, uses a donkey to get around. 1890s. American actress Janet Leigh circa 1955. Traffic outside the Bank of England and the Royal Exchange in the financial district of London, 1896. English actress Liz Fraser circa 1960 old movie photo. Tower Bridge spans the River Thames in London and was completed in 1894.
Sidney Poitier and Julie Andrews at the 37th Academy Awards on April 5, 1965. At a time when most children were running from the chaos in 1968. Cary Grant in Bringing Up Baby 1938. In the Swedish town of Vaxjo, 1985. Katharine Hepburn in 1932. August Landmesser, The Man Who Folded His Arms. 1936. Al Jolson and May McAvoy in The Jazz Singer 1927. A woman jumps over a barrier to kiss Adolf Hitler 1936. May McAvoy, The Jazz Singer, 1927. A girl with a teddy bear at a runestone in Soderby 1930. Dahlia Black in 1900s. A Stone Age settlement in Siretorp, Jalby. 1912. Loretta Young 1900s. Sagrada Familia, 1905. Clarabelle, 1927. A sculpture group representing the Holy Family is put in place, 1958. '30s women's fashion. The Nativity facade. Diane Yoder. Parcels found at an American Red Cross facility in Paris in July of 1918. '50s beachwear photo, Loomis Dean. President Wilson in Paris on July 4, 1918. Bilbo Chimbo. Cars of American on July 7, 1918.